The intention will usually start this way. I want my 2024. I gotta let go of my 2023. Mine. The story of me. In yoga, we call that Ashmita. Ashmita is the me, and more me of the ego. And the yoga teachings tell us, and the new year invites us, to let go of Ashmita, to let go of the story of me, the self-investment, and say, we, each and every one of us. So look to somebody right now who you don't know. Look to somebody to your right, or somebody to your left, or behind you, or in front of you. Go ahead. Don't be shy. Smile and maybe put your hands together in front of your heart and bow to them. And say, may we work together.
May we work together
To come into a more profound